Knuckman joins me for Stacking Up, and we're going old school and new school with Alan today. Good to have you here,
Thanks,
Alan.
Ange.
So let's start with old school and GE. Company's been around forever. A lot of people own this stock. What's going on? What's your trade?
Well, they used to say as GE goes, the market goes. Obviously, things have changed, but that stock's been down a little bit, down 2% year to date, whereas the Dow's up 2%. So I'm looking for it to play some catch up. It's stuck in a rut between $28 and $32, just pushed above 30. So a push above 32 targets 36, which is 20% higher. So from a technical perspective, looking from it being a laggard to back to being a leader, I think it's got some upside.
Well, it has the potential to do that because actually last year it was a very strong stock for a lot of people. So once we had that break, what was it, above 30?
They did a lot of selling last year, a lot of selling of assets. They're much more streamlined and lean now. So I think they're ready. They're ready for this century.
Now let's move into the new school stock that you're trading, and that is Twitter. So what do you think about this stock?
Well, it's new, but it's having a lot of old problems. So it continues to not be able to monetize its millions and millions and millions of users. But the stock has bottomed out. We're seeing what we call technical divergence here, where the stock made new lows, but volatility didn't make new highs. That's often a sign that the sellers are getting tired. So we've been trading between $14 and $20 for 4 months. So we're at the $14.50 level. So I'm looking at this to bounce up to 17, which is the midpoint of this range. That's about 15% away. So I think it's a risk-reward play where I'm more skewed on the bullish side because it's been so beaten down.
And people have been burned on this stock. To go from 14 to 17, that's a big move. But
well, that's a nice, modest little bump. It's very, very conservative. It could very realistically happen. A lot of people are short negative on the stock, and that's typically when it makes a bit of a turn. So we'll have to look and see. Again, it's all about risk reward. I think there's more upside potential than downside here.
I think those shareholders are calling you to say thank you, Alan. Good to have you on the show. Thanks a lot.